Welcome to our channel. Low mileage used engines with warranty. Are they worth it? Low mileage alone is not enough. People think 40,000 miles means the engine's healthy. But many times it's quite the opposite. Mileage means nothing if it wasn't maintained. Always ask for service records or at least the donor VIN. Sitting too long can ruin it. Engines that has been left in damp storage start rusting inside. Their seals dry out and bearings get sticky. Don't assume it's fresh just because it hasn't been used much. The warranty's only as good as the seller. Everyone slaps 90-day warranty on listings. But their warranty has many clauses that can make the warranty null and void. If you're buying, make sure that warranty actually covers internal failure, not just defects. Check compression test before you pay. If they claim tested, get the numbers. If they can't show readings, they didn't test it. Real sellers will have those numbers written down or in the invoice. If not, walk away. Not every warranty is good. A 1-year parts warranty sounds nice, but read the fine print. Some only cover you if you install it through a certified shop. Some need you to replace the oil pump, timing belt, water pump, or they void it. Always read every word. Low mileage imports can be a gamble. JDM engines, yeah, those can be awesome, but not all importers are honest. Some clean them up, paint them, and call them low mileage. Ask for photos before cleaning. Look for markings, stickers, anything that proves it came from where they say. Listen for how the seller talks about it. A good seller will talk like they've actually tested the engine, oil pressure, noise, leaks. A bad one just says, runs great, or low miles. You can tell in 2 minutes if the guy knows engines or just flips them. Price should match condition. If it's too cheap, there's a reason. Low mileage with warranty should cost more than some random pullout. If it's listed at rock bottom price and claims warranty, something's fishy. Check how it was stored. Ask when it was pulled. Ask if it's been sealed. Ask if they drained the oil. An engine left with oil and coolant in it for months turns into sludge. A clean, wrapped engine. That's what you want. Worth it? Depends on the seller. If you're buying from a trusted yard or a known online supplier that stands behind their stuff, yeah, it can totally be worth it. You save a ton compared to reman or new. Thank you for watching.